The British Army is on a quest to replace its aging SA-80 by 2030. And here's the interesting part. You could see British redcoats opt for Made in India rifles. Britain has a long history of making small arms, but the turn to India among other vendors suggests domestic capabilities may not be seen as adequate. Under Project Grayburn, the UK Defence Ministry is looking to equip 200,000 personnel with the new rifle, and Indian firm SSS Defence is in the running with its M72 carbine. The M72 carbine is engineered for precision fire capability. It can engage targets at 800 meters and is chambered for NATO standard ammunition. Other potential vendors include SIG Sauer, Heckler Koch and FN Herstal that will compete for what is expected to run into millions of dollars. The winner will supply not only hardware but long-term spares, training and industrial support at scale. Project Grayburn could open a new chapter for India as the United Kingdom diversifies supply chains post-Brexit. SSS Defence's bid exemplifies that a firm with its R&D base in India is now reaching global markets. Success could yield lucrative contracts and expand the technological footprint, but requires strict compliance with UK procurement rules and NATO interoperability standards.